Hello, in this video we will look at how to make a percentage discount. Let's open a table and click Settle button. When we want to discount 10% over the total, let's write the discount rate first. And click on the Discount Percent button under the numerator. Now this discount is made and the discount is shown as 10% end of the ticket. When we want to remove this discount, it is enough to press the discount button. And we can see that it's also have been removed from the ticket. Or if you want, you can make another discount on another table. Go to payment screen again and click on the 20% discount button. And you can take your payment, click on all and cash. Now also our second example has finished.